Greetings everyone, it's Michael Anastasiadis here, mortgage advisor from Bosanoff Mortgages, Mortgages Made Easy, coming to you live with your weekly mortgage and interest rate update. And I've got the full list of interest rates here for you guys to see this week. I thought it would be a good time to, because I keep these little sheets, so I thought it would be a good time to put it all here so we can see all the rates that I'm getting from the bank, so you can have a look, and it'll be a good reference point for later on in the year. So give me a second while I read through these. So these are the special fixed interest rates. So by special I mean you've either got to have a 20% deposit to qualify for these, or at least 20% equity in your property. So let's look at that first one there, the 6-month rate. There's a little bit of a spread now from 5.95 to 5.99. So that's where all the banks have now settled with their 6-month rate. So no more, you'll see now from now on, there's no more interest rates with the 6 in front of it. So that's the 6-month rate. Again, a bit of a spread with the 1-year rate. Look at that 1-year rate. The spread there is from 5.58 to 5.79, fixed for 1 year. 18 months, another spread, 5.49 to 5.69. 2 years, and I haven't had anyone really fixed for 2 years for a while now, but the 2-year rates, 5.45 to 5.55. Likewise, the 3, 4 and 5-year rates, no one's been fixing that long, so I'll quickly read them out to you there. 3-year rates, 5.55 to 5.65. 4 years, 5.49 to 5.75. And the very last one, that 5-year rate, 5.59 to 5.85. So that's the spread, guys, of interest rates. So we're all waiting to see what's going to happen on the 19th of February, because that's when the next Reserve Bank OCR review is, the first one for the year. And it looks like, from reading the commentary I've been reading, it looks like the OCR will be cut by 0.5 points. But for those of you that have been following me for a while, once the Reserve Bank makes their cut, it doesn't always translate to cuts here, and not in a hurry anyway. But I personally think there's room for these rates to be in the low 5s. So we'll wait and see what happens. Really it'll be next month, I'd see, unless a bank does a special to try and win market share, and they come out with a special rate. And again, if that happens, I'll get out my little sheet here to share that live with you guys here. You'll be one of the first to know. So if you've got, like I say every time, if you've got a mortgage that's coming up for refixing, make sure you speak to your mortgage advisor or your trusted advisor, financial advisor, to make sure you're getting the right advice for your situation. That's key, and that's something that you should be doing. If you've got a loan or getting a mortgage, again, if you've got that 20% deposit, I would use some of these higher rates just to work out your repayments. It's always good to plan for the worst and hope for the best, knowing that you'll probably get a better rate than this. So again, feel free to reach out with that. In terms of the banks and processing time, so I've still got some clients where we put in their application last year, and we're slowly getting those coming back from the bank. It's sort of drips and drabs at the moment, so it's they are coming back as more and more staff return to work. So I think from next Tuesday, with Monday being Wellington anniversary weekend, and then the following Monday being Auckland anniversary weekend, I think typically from next week, that's when most people are back, and we can expect to see those turnaround times improve from the banks. If you're going to open homes and you don't have your finance approved yet, please get in touch so we can at least do a dummy application or full application to get you pre-approved, so you can look to buy with confidence when you're out there, because there will be people at open homes. There's a lot of people that are wanting to buy that have been looking for a while, and they know from Wellington anniversary weekend to Easter, it's a good time to be buying. Just want to explain that. So yes, guys, if you want to get pre-approved, we're more than happy to chat with you. We're looking to refix, happy to chat with you as well. And yeah, get ready because people will be out there. There will be people wanting to buy, and those that are pre-approved, they'll be on top of the queue. Especially those that are not only pre-approved, but they've also sent the paperwork for the property to me, so we can check with the bank, and that way if the bank's happy, they can go in unconditional. And why would you be going in unconditional? Because you want to be moving into your house sooner rather than later. You don't want to be paying that landlord any more than what you have to. So there you are, guys. We can help you with all those things. Can't get that. I'm going to sign off, and I'll be live with another video in due course. Cheers, guys. And